guys, this is the second video to our slime. We're gonna be making more, and I'm gonna be using this glitter because Jack can't use it.
I didn't want it. Was that my mom?
No, someone was walking outside. Okay, let's put the camera right here because we're the main people of this video. Who's that?
That's me.
Oh, it's you. Guess what? We saw a note from the doll maker at the place. The doll maker said, you messed up one of my dolls and made it nice. But that's not over yet. I've programmed the doll to be mean and do what I say.
What?
I got another girl. Did you open your second one and see if you got something different that you won't like? Who wants this? Do you want my pink glitter? Because I'm going to be using this. I got green. I don't really like the mermaids because girlish. But I don't really like pink and purple and I don't really like mermaids. I like Snapchat. There's a little graphic news.
Wow.
Let's see what you got. Give me some food. You got poop of a snake. Oh, poop. You want split? Yeah. Okay. Oh, you got gold. You got that glitter. Oh, you can do 2 glitters and put the pink in there. I don't want to. Let me go get my water.
What are you doing, mister? Yeah.
Go put your water in.
Okay. So we have some other.
Don't spill this.
Okay,
Sassy. Oh! I know in the last video I told you we'll do this on video, but we thought it would be too fun to do it on video. Don't, Jack, you're gonna make this spill.
Sorry.
Dumbo. He's dumb. Like really dumb. Don't touch any of this. Here's your other one. Go make yours in the kitchen, okay? Where it's less dirty. I think you're most of the day, you know. Sorry guys, you had to be in total silence for a couple minutes. No, it's hot water. It's gonna make it runny. These other ones are cold. After,
And this is Audrey's.
yeah, like this. Don't touch it. Stop. I'll literally slap you across the face. No one heard that. Yeah, I didn't say that. Jack, what did I just say to you? Jack, I saw you. You're about to do something.
What did I do?
You're about to do something. I don't know. I know. You were about to do something. That's why I had to hurry back. But wasn't this fun? So basically we each got 2. Oh, I thought you were Jackie for a minute. I'm like, Alan, someone save your mom. If you're happy?
Audrey, before you put the video, rewatch so you know what I did. Do you want to know did?
No. Wait, yes.
So we watched the video.
Wait, what?
I said something very bad. I said something very bad. So we watched the video. Can you shake this? Oh my God! Dad, you can open your sign.
You can open your sign. You ready? Wait! Jax is not ready!
Jax didn't get shaked enough. Jax didn't get shaked enough. We watched the video. We watched the video so you know what I did.
Tilly's didn't get shaked enough. None of us got shaked enough. Dad, none of ours got shaked enough.
Let's shake them more. Shit.
I don't know.
Shut up, bam, down, coming, bam, bam, bam.